This is Paul Wett. It's February 3rd, 4:20 a.m. This is the midweek report for week ending February 5th. Got a lot of price action here, guys. Like I was telling you, we're trying to bang out a short-term low here. Head and shoulder bottom possibly right here. Broke out, hit a nice strong close. Now we're retesting the breakout, folks. So this is the important key level right here. You can see it on the chart. Now there's still a probability that we could come down and retest down here. But we have to hold. We're going to have to hold this next upturn. Today's going to be a key day if we can close above yesterday's close. The other thing I wanted to show you is we had some nice trades. And a nice sell right here. Like I said, no matter if the market's going up or down, www.wetttraderllc.com software will put you in the direction of the trend. Nice trades right here. See, so what happens is when this one sells it right here, and then it comes back down here, makes two bars in the opposite direction, boom, it puts a stop here, sells it again. Then it had two highs here, put the stop here, so we moved our stop down here to profit. Another new low. And I think we probably got out of that trade right about here. So this is really some really good trading here. Let me take a look at some of these other, this 240. Like I said, there's a possibility we can retest this low, possibly put in a wave 5. But I'm still got my bet on the head and shoulder bottom here. Let me see if I can point it out to you. This is going to be our key support area here, folks. So, very, very key. Key. Now, we still can come down a little bit lower. Let me show you what we got as far as how we figure out what we're doing here at WettTraderLLC.com. It's a price and time software. We use the retracements. So, the software automatically, once you put it on a bar here, it's got two green bars. That means that green means buy. So what it's going to do, it's going to look for a place to buy with a higher probability of return. If the market's coming up in a downtrend and the moving averages are down, it looks for a sell. Once it pulls back up here is when it looks around. Now, so you can see all these little tiny head and shoulder patterns everywhere, folks. See, here's a nice little head and shoulder. See, this is the high we made. At that 40, I was calling a 39. I was calling a 39.50 top here. We have a sell number there at 39.50. I'll show you that. 39.50 right here. So we come down, we retest. We come down here. This is just a really small head and shoulder right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 coming down here. Now I know we have a gap down at the 82 area. We haven't buy. So now once we have this short sell-off here, and like I said, software automatically takes the high and the low. And then we can look and see, well, this is what the software is doing, and I do it manually. But so the last bid we got is 1888 and a quarter, which is a very strong support area. So as long as we hold above that, we'll be good. The next area of support, if we continue to go south, is going to be 72, and then 55, and then it's back down to 40 again. So let's hope we don't go that far down. But no matter what we do, www.wetttraderllc.com will get you in the trade and show you the money. www.wetttraderllc.com.